Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. And I got my Ipsy for March, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the very last one I'll get. And look it, the envelope is all off kilter, off center. That's never happened to me before. It's like they don't care anymore. This is the last one. I've already started filming this and didn't film, so here we go. This is the bag. This bag, it's Step Into Power is the theme for March. This month is an all-out celebration of women's empowerment. So we've got a Greek goddess there. It's a beautiful bag with these gold ties. We're not getting bags anymore. From now on, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is gone. It's going to be Boxycharm by Ipsy. And it's going to be the same as Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, where we get 5 full-size items, just like we did in Boxy Base. And they pick 2 and we pick 3. And that's different than Boxycharm Base. So I was getting the Boxycharm Base and I was getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So now I'm going to get 1 box instead of the 2 boxes. So I had paid quite a bit, you know, for a year for both of them. So I suppose they're going to tack that on to the end of one of the other. We will see. Their websites are down. I have not got my Boxy for March. And usually I get that before I get my Ipsy. So I'm not sure where it is. Last time I looked at the website, which you're seeing this on Wednesday, I looked on Tuesday evening and both websites were down. So the Boxy website has been down for a couple of days and the Ipsy website just went down on Tuesday that I noticed. I was checking it each day and I couldn't even get in there to see anything, but my Glam Bag Plus was supposed to come on Friday, but it got here Tuesday. So I was hoping maybe it was my Boxy, but you know, we'll find out anyway. So this is the, like I said, Step Into Power. And then they talk about the new Icon box that's coming out, the Icon box that's coming out, which will take the place of the Luxe, the Boxy Luxe and the Ipsy, what was the Ipsy one called? I never got it, so I never paid attention to it. But anyway, it's supposed to be fabulous. We'll see. We'll see how it is. Anyway, so let's see what I got. They picked 2 items for me. And they picked 2 skincare items for me, which is fine, but I really like to get makeup in my Ipsy, so I'll tell you more about that. But I mean, I like what they picked for me. This is the Juice Beauty. This is the Green Apple Age Defying Serum. I have a serum that I'm using actually right now from Juice Beauty. I don't remember where I got it. Maybe it's all smashed up and everything. But this I haven't tried. It's really cold here today, like we had a frost. So this was outside, it's frozen. It's very cold. This feels like it might be a glass bottle with a plastic coating on it. So a Green Apple Age Defying Serum. So I'm interested in that. I will probably start using that after the other serum is done. This is valued at $59. So thank you, Ipsy, because Ipsy is $25. Sorry, $28 and $1.99 handling. So it's just right at $30, which is going to be, I think they're keeping the price the same, at least at the beginning. So we'll see what happens. But this is 1 ounce. It's brightening, check protective laws. It tells you all about it. I'm not going to go into all that right now. Anyway, okay, next they sent me. Now this, I had just recently heard of this brand. This is Bioma. I've seen a few people get this. This is a moisturizing rich cream, which sounds fine with me. But whatever this is, it's very inexpensive. This is $16, 1/6. It's a moisturizing rich cream, triceramide complex, bakuchiol, and shea extract. Boosted barrier, better skin. It's super pretty. I love the container. Let's see what, okay. And it's got it has a really nice pump. It says, well, step 1, that's all right. That's telling you what to do, clean and tone and all that. Hydrate. I was seeing if it had more information on it. It says that together these ingredients intensely hydrate and smooth skin for bouncy, dewy results and a stronger skin barrier. So I just don't know very much about the brand, and I was surprised at how inexpensive this was. It says what it does. Dehydrated skin, meet the moisturizer of your dreams. So it's great for dry skin. The Hero Hydrator features Bioma's proprietary triceramide complex. Okay, so I won't read all of that, but you know, just it's a, you know, a serum, moisturizer, whatever. It's a moisturizer. So I'm happy to get it and to try it, especially since it's very reasonably priced. Yeah, that's good. And then next, okay, then I had choices, y'all. And my choices, you know, the choices here lately haven't been the very best choices. And what did I choose? I chose skincare. I chose an Ahava. This is Clearing Facial Treatment Mask. So this is valued at $34, and it says, get the gunk out of your pores with this clarifying face mask that uses a signature blend of Dead Sea minerals and the world famous Dead Sea mud. So this, it just had, in this category, what I had to choose from was this. It was cute, but it was two little heart sponges that were in a plastic case that was a heart shaped. So that should have been in February. There was an eyeliner. There was a lip tint, a Tarte brand lip tint, which I just recently got something like that. There was an eyelash curler, and there was a setting spray. So the choices that I had were not fabulous. So out of those choices, this I thought was the best choice. It may not be something for me because it says, when things say clearing, they're usually for aggravated skin, you know, oily skin, blemished skin. So I will read up more about that. I do like the Ahava brand, so that's why I got it. But, you know, I can see through the ring light, this is filled to the brim, which is nice. It's nice to get a full tube. And then next I got two products from the brand Mally, M-A-L-L-Y, Mally Beauty. Not the best, but I wasn't thinking, you know, when you go in and you pick and you want to pick fast because you don't want to lose out. So I went a little too fast because there's better choices than what I made. In this category, there were eyelashes. There was a Bobbi Brown. I like Bobbi Brown, but it was a vanilla colored shadow stick, and I don't care for those. I have a couple of them, not Bobbi Brown, but some different brands, and I never use them. So there was a Purlisse BB cream, which I don't use, and there was a First Aid Beauty, which is a great brand. They were those pads that are, again, are for skin that needs treatment. And there was a Ciate London lip gloss, and I chose the Cheeks. This is called Get Cheeky All Over Cheek Glow in Pretty in Pink. So this is a double, what did I do with this is a double blush. And I probably won't keep it because I have too many blushes. And you know, blush doesn't blush last you forever? I use it every day, but it lasts me forever. And I have like 3 or 4 opened. But you know, I wanted makeup. So this is, it's, you know, nice and simple. There's the name in like a copper color. And then it has a mirror on one side, and it has a flavor saver, so to speak, and they are cream. It's a cream. It has little spots on it, probably from being out in the freezing, but they're cream. And well, it says, let me see what it says. Oh, it's a blush and a highlighter. I'm gonna say that doesn't look like a blush, but this it's creamy. It appears creamy. I haven't touched it, but there it says it's a buildable cream highlighter and blush. Okay, so the blush is a beautiful color, a color that I would use. The highlighter, I may use this, but not at the moment. I have a bunch of highlighters. I have a bunch of blushes, and those things last me forever. I don't really use highlighter very often. So, and then next I have, and that's valued at $32. Okay, and then last but not least, maybe, is I got a palette from Mally Beauty. And the reason I got this was because it was a palette, and I'll always go for a palette. But there was a set of 2, a Glam Glow sheet mask, or not. I just got one as a gift. I'm pretty sure it's a gel mask, and that's an expensive mask. And then also that mask that you see a lot on Boxy, it's the chest mask. And there was a mascara, and there was a serum that I didn't know the brand. There was a product from Refreshments, a body wash, and there was a Tula skincare product, which I was thinking maybe I should have got that. But I got the palettes, and this is called Best Dressed Liz. I don't know much about this brand. This is $45. I don't think this is necessarily the best brand in the world. It's 100% cruelty-free, so we'll look at that as a good thing. That is a good thing. So here's what it looks like inside. And it looked very beautiful on the website, but I'm not sure about it. All right, let's see. Oh, it is pretty. There's a lot of shimmer. See, I like that. There's, all right, here are the colors. There's a mirror on one side. So these are colors that I would use. They're very nice. It's very beautiful, actually. There are a lot of shimmers, which is what I like, and they are beautiful. I just have so many palettes, y'all. I say that every time I swatch a palette, don't I? Okay. I was thinking that I would not swatch this, that I would put it in a giveaway or something. Now this is purple to me. It doesn't look like that way necessarily to you. Maybe. This one's a navy blue. It's very beautiful. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to swatch it. $45 value. My bag, now on the website, Ipsy said that my bag was worth $201, and I come up with $186. So my best guess is they're saying this bag is worth $15, maybe? Because I got the prices from them. I didn't go to the websites to get the prices. On the Ipsy, when you pick your things, and then they send you an email that tells you all of what you got, and then you can click out everything, and the prices are right there. And also, I don't always get the emails, but you can go to the website, and it'll tell you what, here's your bag, and this is what's coming, and this is the price. So, anyway, well, I got the palette, I got the highlighter blush, I got the Ahava clearing facial treatment mask, and the Juice Beauty, which I'm excited about, that was $65. I'm excited to try that one. I like Juice Beauty. I've tried several of their products, but I don't believe I've ever had the green apple serum. I won't say I've never had it. I've never tried it. Let's put it that way. Sometimes I give things away, and I think, why did I give that away? And then this Bioma. I'm interested to see how it is. Let's just try it right now. I've got things going, but I'm getting low on the moisturizer I'm using, so let's just see what this looks like. It'll take a minute or two to prime it. I thought smudge was coming up. Here it comes, finally. Oh, it's really nice. It's very rich. Can you see it's very rich? It doesn't have a scent. At least I don't think it does. I was going to try to open it up, but I can't even do that. It doesn't have a scent. So, well, yeah, I don't smell anything. It feels like a very nice moisturizer. Very, very nice. So I will be using that. I'll be putting that into my arsenal. I have, when I sit at night after I clean my face and do what I'm going to do with, if I do a sheet mask or eye mask or whatever, then I sit there and I put on all my stuff. So this will be over there. Oh, it feels good. It goes into my skin nicely. And it doesn't have a scent, which is nice. I don't mind on my face a little scent if I like the scent. If I don't like the scent, then I do mind it. But usually, a little, if it's just a small or a light scent, then it goes away quickly. But that went right into my skin. That felt good, y'all. Yeah, I like that. But I don't know much about this brand at all. So I'm interested to find out more about it, especially when you find a brand that's a good price. So anyway, that's my my very last, y'all. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, my very last. How do y'all feel about that? I have had Ipsy for a long time, and I used to get the Glam Bag, and I love the little Glam Bag. I think it's fantastic. But then when you end up with 1,000 little things, even though you give 1,000 of them away, you still end up with a lot. I decided to, actually what was happening was they were changing the prices, and they were going to go up. And I had been wanting to try the Plus for a long time, and I want to try it, and never did. And then they were upping the price to the $28 from the $25 for the Plus. So they said you could lock it in if you got it. And the same with the Glam Bag. I think that you could lock in that $12 price. It was going to $15. Well, you had to do it by a certain time, like October 31st or something like that. And my Glam Bag was paid through December 31st. So I did send them an email. They wouldn't let me extend onto the Glam bag. I had to wait until it ended to get that. I can't remember. They wouldn't let me. If I got it again, then I would have doubles for a couple of months. Does that make sense? Like it would be a new year. They wouldn't let it go to the end of the next year. So I thought, well, this is my perfect time to try the Plus. So that's what I did. I bought the Plus by the year, and I've been getting it for a few years now, and I adore it. I love it so much better than I love it. And it's my favorite makeup box that I get, my subscription box that I get. So I'm disappointed that it's going away, but I'm hoping that Boxy will be, since I can pick, that it'll be just as fabulous. And I love Boxycharm too. But the Glam bag itself, I highly recommend the Glam bag for anybody that's just starting out, doesn't have any subscriptions, wants to find out about makeup and skincare. That I do highly recommend. And yeah, so I'm disappointed that it's changing. I don't like change. I know a lot of people do, but a lot of us don't. And so, but you know, I will adapt, and hopefully it'll be just fine. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.